To install Ronin wallet, head to schemavis.com/wallet. Scroll down. As you can see here, the mobile app isn't available yet. As for the browsers, there is Firefox and Chrome. As you can see, I'm using Brave, but Chrome extensions work on Brave browser. So I'm going to choose it. Add extension. Now as you can see, it's downloading and it will be installed right away. As you can see, it's installed. Click on it. Click on get started. Click I'm new. Choose a password. Create wallet. And here are the seed phrases. Never save them online, because then hackers might get a hold of your seed phrases, and the seed phrases, they are the important and they are what gets your wallet recovered. So if anyone has these seed phrases, they can easily get your wallet and whatever you have in your wallet. So make sure to never reveal the seed phrases to anyone ever. Okay, so click reveal seed phrase and copy them in order. Write them on a paper and put it somewhere safe and secure. As for me, I'm just demonstrating, so I'm just copying them here and pasting them here. Then confirm seed phrase. Now you have to put each one of them in order. So click continue, and congratulations, your Ronin wallet is now created. So go to your Ronin wallet. So if you want the wallet to appear next to this MetaMask wallet here, just click on pen, and now it's here. Click on it, and as you can see, here is your Ronin address. You just copy address and it's copied, and just send the Ronin address to the person who wants to send you something on the Ronin network. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.